Nowadays, one of the most important assets that we have is information, and actually what we can do with this information. We collect a lot of data with our scanners, with our UVs, or other probes, but actually the important thing is what do we do with this information, how we transform that data and information into valuable answers and insights that would enable to understand why a network is better or worse, or how we can actually make a difference in this network. What we are presenting here is our analytics suite that is actually trying to answer those questions, how to transform data into answers. We have here a tool that is fully based on a web browser, and as we can see on the left-hand side, it presents all the entry points that we can have. What we are showing here is the network performance score. This network performance score would actually summarize each network into one single score to evaluate how good or bad this network is. Because we are the manufacturers, or we are actually developing this MPS, we split that information into different values. So what is voice, what is data, for different values, or even we can go to the specific KPIs that actually explain why these values are so. To show in a nutshell what SmartAnalytics can do, we can go also to another entry point, which is, for example, voice. So if I go to the voice, I will have all the information of what is happening, and I would have the calls split it into the different call modes, for example, that I have here. So I have calls in circuit switch, VoLTE, etc. If I'm interested to see what happens in circuit switch, I can just click, and I will go directly to this specific samples that will show me where this circuit switch calls happened, for example, here. So actually, that's what we want to do with our SmartAnalytics tool, to go from the overview, from the data, really to the answers and the explanations, why is my network so, or what can I do? Thanks for listening.